Ever pondered about the Titanic? What led to the tragic end of a ship thought to be unsinkable? Welcome to another episode of What's Special Today, where we delve into the captivating narratives of history. Today, we journey back to the year 1912 to the voyage of the ill-fated RMS Titanic. Hello, everyone. I'm your guide as we navigate the compelling story of the Titanic, a ship that has left an indelible mark on the annals of maritime history. The Titanic, labeled as unsinkable, embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, on the 10th day of April, 1912. It was a spectacle of luxury and grandeur, a testament to human ingenuity and the pinnacle of engineering in its time. Unfortunately, this voyage of dreams quickly turned into a nightmare. On the night of April 14, 1912, the Titanic collided with an iceberg in the icy waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. Despite the valiant efforts of its crew, the ship progressively sank into the freezing abyss. In the aftermath of the collision, tales of heroism, sacrifice, and harrowing loss emerged from the survivors. The sinking of the Titanic claimed over 1,500 lives, a tragic event that has reverberated through time. As we reflect on the Titanic disaster, it's important to remember the lives lost and to honor the resilience of the survivors. Their stories serve as a reminder of the power of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Thank you for accompanying us on this historical journey. If you found this video enlightening, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to What's Special Today for more intriguing content. Until our next trip through time, take care and remember, history's not just about the past, it's a